the most viewed topics on YouTube. Funny videos, games, pranks, challenges, and humorous content are often among the most popular on YouTube. People love to be entertained and have a good laugh. YouTube is a go-to platform for learning something new. From cooking to DIY, beauty to electronics, people often look for tutorials and how-tos to enhance their skills. Vloggers have taken YouTube by storm, sharing their daily experiences, travels, adventures, and personal lives. Viewers love to get a glimpse into the lives of their favorite vloggers. Music videos, live performances, covers, and music reviews are a hit on YouTube. It's a platform where artists can showcase their talent and connect with their fans. Gamers flock to YouTube for game streaming, tutorials, reviews, and epic moments in games. It's a hub for the gaming community to come together and share their passion. Before making a purchase, people often turn to YouTube for product reviews. Whether it's electronics, clothing, beauty products, or more, honest reviews are in high demand. YouTube is not just for entertainment, but also for staying informed. Videos covering news, current events, politics, and current affairs analysis are popular among viewers. Stay up to date with the latest news, politics, and current affairs analysis. Learn makeup techniques, get skincare product reviews, and stay on top of the latest beauty trends. Discover delicious recipes, step-by-step cooking guides, and culinary trends. Get fit and healthy with workout videos, yoga classes, and wellness tips. Explore educational content about historical events and documentaries. Dive into controversial topics that attract attention and spark discussion. Enjoy cute and funny animal videos, from pets to wild creatures. Uncover the mysteries of the universe with educational content on astronomy and science. Remember, success on YouTube depends on quality content, consistency, and engaging with your audience. Stay tuned for new trends and emerging topics.